Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm out here with Kevin. How you doing today, Kev?
Great.
All right, so we have a challenge every once in a while, and we've got to figure out a way to overcome that challenge. A lot of you guys have some type of aftermarket windshield, and you're trying to fully enclose the machine, but you want to heat it up too. The issue that we see is with the Yamaha heater kit. When you put on the aftermarket windshield, the defrost ducts are down here so low, they actually blow onto the metal of the frame. Well, Kevin comes up with the great ideas he does about every day, and he's going to share with you a little bit about what he's come up with, and it's going to help you guys that are wanting to put that heater kit in with some different windshield options, whether it's a USA or an Alpha or one of those other options. So take it away.
Well, you know, every once in a while I do think up stuff here at work. I don't just let my mind wander. We had this Wolverine come in. This is XTR. And the owner, on his firewall, to help prevent the wind from coming up underneath the front of the windshield here, he had put some weather stripping on the firewall.
You can see that there.
Well, the defrost vent on these Yamahas goes right here on the firewall. So, as I got looking at it, I didn't want to eliminate the weather stripping for the owner because he obviously put it there for a reason. And so, as I got looking at this, I realized how much room there is underneath the front of the dash. And my favorite part of this, for any of you who have ever had to take your firewall off while you have the defroster in, you know it's kind of a pain because your defrost vents are mounting right here on the firewall, and so you have to be able to reach in there and undo those to be able to pull your firewall. Well, check this out. So we've got all this room up underneath the dash. It occurred to me that we could move those defrosters more towards the passenger compartment. Still have plenty of room for them. And then it actually allows the defroster to be able to blow up onto the inside of the windshield much better than having it in the firewall. It's only moving it about 1.25 inches in towards the passenger compartment.
How'd you cut out the slots?
So on the outside, or on the underside of your firewall, you have that pre-marked location. All I did is just measure that location in its proximity to the firewall and the size of that, and then just remarked it and cut it out. Cut it out with a razor knife.
Perfect. Looks like it's going to work really well. We're going to give you guys some feedback as we get this bolted back together, as the customer gets out and experiences the machine. And if you have any thoughts or questions, post those up in the comments below. We do monitor our YouTube channel every single day, and we're here to help.
For all of those, for all of you customers that I have installed heater kits for before coming up with this idea, I'm sorry.
We got you guys covered. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you have any questions about what you're seeing here today, post those up or give us a call. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks, Kev.
You bet.